Hello guys, Nepal Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we have a very exciting video because it's a Throwback Thursday and we are unboxing, a first generation iPod Shuffle that was released in 2005. Okay, so iPod Shuffle, the main premise of this iPod Shuffle, of course, is that it shuffles. So as you can see, there's no screen or anything where you can choose the song. It's just on shuffle, and that you play what you get. You have no choice. I mean, you can skip it and skip forward, go back, but that's pretty much it. Play, pause, lower the volume, but not many other controls. Yeah, first generation. 4 generations of these have happened. I have the 4 of them. I will make a full video once I have them all in the same place, because one of them is in my house in Spain, the rest are here in the UK. But of course this is the one that started it all back in 2005. So we're gonna proceed with the unboxing. So first of all, the box, you see that it's rather simple on the outside, very big to what they used to be. In fact, let's do something. Because I also have here the 4th generation and last generation iPod Shuffle that was first released in 2010 and discontinued in 2017. You can just see the difference in size of the boxes. Yeah, to be fair, this one is thinner, but yeah, no, there's no comparison. Even the devices themselves are pretty different. But again, I will do a comparison between the 4 generations. Drop a like down below if you would like to see that. But focusing on the first generation one, even though I will probably bring that one in again. Again, box pretty simple on the outside, at least on the front. We have iPod Shuffle on the sides, both sides, and then bunch of lettering at the back. Oh my god. So what is shuffle, why shuffle, unshuffle. Oh, apparently there's an off shuffle mode, so you can load an entire playlist on this and then just not listen it on shuffle. But yeah, features, requirements, Mac OS X 10.2.8. Wow. iTunes 5.0. Yeah, this had 512 megabytes of storage. The last generation one had 2 gigabytes, which is not a lot, to be fair. But again, if you want a lot of songs in shuffle, you don't want to have like thousands of songs. So I kind of get why. But yeah, we're starting to unbox this one. And as you can see, there's a plastic here that you peel off and you slide the whole tray away. And then this is useless, so we'll just leave it here. There we go. But yeah, then everything is covered by this plastic. I hope I'm getting this on camera. And removing the plastic, we have the iPod itself. Then we have this. As you can see, this is pretty good because it's still on the original plastic. Both the headphones, which we'll take a look at now, and this is a strap. As you can see, there's a hole in here, and what you would do with this, take this off the iPod. What you would do with this is replace this part down below, put it here, put it in, and then you can hang this off your neck. So pretty handy. But yeah, we'll look at the iPod later on. But then we have earphones. These are the very first generation earphones that Apple ever made. I'm pretty sure they were the same that were included with the first iPod. So yeah, I'm honestly not gonna even take them off this packaging because they're so good. But yeah, I'm curious to see if this, I'm guessing no, because I tried a 3rd generation one and it didn't work with the earpods. Not AirPods, earpods, the one that have a wire. But yeah, the iPod itself, very simple. It's very light, honestly, and very nice, just to hold. Very comfortable. I like it. Just yeah, very nice. At the back we get different things. So we have, it's off right now, and I'm guessing, so there's this first mode, is like the loop mode, and this will just play the playlist in order. Then we have shuffle, of course, and then this is a battery indicator. I have not charged it because the way to charge it, of course, is to connect it to the computer like this. You need USB-A, of course, so I have to use the adapter. But yeah, you charge it and then you can also load the music. I'm guessing it does work, but it's so pristine. Like the few marks that it has is mostly like sweat or like handled, and I left them myself. So it's pretty nice, and it wasn't even expensive. I think I paid like around £25 for it, shipment included. So very good. On the top we have the headphone jack to plug the earphones in. So yeah, imagine yourself now with this hanging off like this here, maybe a bit lower, but yeah, hanging in here with the strap around your neck, and then this again around your ears. Had to be pretty uncomfortable, didn't it? But yeah, again I would show it, but I don't really want to take off the plastic from this because they're very nice. But yeah, we're not even done yet, because if we move this aside as well, we have this. And this, it says don't steal music in several languages. And then if we open it, we have the wonder of this little card with like all the information you need. iPod shuffle, buttons, play, pause, how it works basically. And some more, the status indicator, all that. Then we have user's guide, which it's a pretty thick booklet, probably the thickest booklet Apple has ever included in one of the products. And how they work, what's included. See, this is the linear, how it would work, the headphones, well, the earphones. I'm guessing this is in several languages. Actually, no, it's all in English. Oh my god, this is so long, I would never read this. It has 30 pages, only in English. Okay. Anyway, Apple stickers, unused, pretty large actually. I don't know if you can see them very well, but here's the size of my hand against them, so pretty large. Free music for your iPod. I'm pretty sure this expired, but yeah, we also got this in the iPod mini. I also did a video on that, I believe, so you can find it. Okay, I think here. Should be here. I never know which side it is when I'm recording. And yeah, then a lot of warranty information. And of course the all-important for 2005 CD to install iTunes, because you need iTunes, and I'm guessing, I was barely alive at the time, but I'm guessing most people didn't have good internet connection, so downloading software from the internet wasn't the most common thing, so they just included this. And then this, honestly, I have no clue what they are. I have no idea. I don't see a reason for this to exist. So if you know, please let me know down below in the comments, because I have no clue what this is. Maybe the seller got it in here like accidentally or something. I have no clue what this is for. But yeah, so this is pretty much it, honestly. As I said, I paid like, I bring the exact price, but I think it was around £25 for it, which is pretty reasonable, considering it's, what is it now, 17 years old, and pretty much brand new. I mean, not brand new, but I don't think it's been used at all. Designed by Apple in California, made in China, not assembled in China, made in China. They did change the wording a little bit after, but yeah, buttons feel really clicky, very nice actually. And yeah, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna rebox it. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this review. I will try to plug it in iTunes and all that, but it might be a hassle, and it might not be of much help, because as we saw in the third generation iPod Shuffle unboxing and review, again here, there's no possibility to to listen to it without using these headphones. You cannot use AirPods or something. So yeah, and also, why would I even want to use it? I mean, to be fair, I would use it, but yeah, I also have this one, so I would probably use this one before. But yeah, enough of this. If you want the comparison, please thumbs up down below. And that's gonna be everything from my side today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, if you want to see more videos like this, please comment down below, and also thumbs up. And if you like Apple and you like to watch Apple videos in YouTube, you should consider subscribing, because that's exactly what I do. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.